In 2 minutes, I can't tell you everything about the next Murex fund. I can't tell you about our top quartile track record, our 10 years of experience investing together, or our venture grade exits. But I can tell you about a math problem. 30% of kids in the U.S. graduate from high school without 6th grade math skills. That means that the panicked feeling many of you got when you found this problem on a postcard in your welcome packet is the same one that many high school graduates get when they see 2 LBS on a sheet of paper. Because they haven't learned that LBS means pounds. How do we solve this problem? That's a $5 billion question, because that's how much is being spent every year on math remediation services. For example, companies like UPS, where knowing things like the abbreviation for pounds is a job requirement for every employee, are willing to pay everyone from community colleges to private firms to retrain their employees in math. Right now, the standard method of doing this is to just reteach 6th grade math. You can imagine how successful this is. What if someone came along who could solve this problem? Let me introduce you to Angela McIver. As part of her PhD, Angela recorded thousands of hours of young adults struggling with math problems, and her analysis allowed her to create tools that diagnose and remedy each student's math deficiencies. And her method works. Angela piloted her program at the Muhlenberg Career Development Center in Greenville, Kentucky, which was ranked 108th among U.S. Job Corps centers. After 18 months, they were ranked 9th. That's great for Greenville, but how do we reach everyone else? That's where we come in. Angela's company is one of many that Murex is considering for our next fund, so we paired her with Mike Swink, a serial entrepreneur who played a similar role with PayQuick, a company from our first fund that sold for 20 times revenue to Citibank in 2008. Mike helped transform Angela's system into software so that it can scale to reach the millions of kids who need it to get good family-supporting jobs. My 2 minutes are about up. If you gave me 12 minutes, we could mow a lawn together. Or better yet, come talk to me and Joel Steicher, my partner at Murex, and in 12 minutes we'll show you some of the other companies with scalable tools and skills to fight poverty that we're considering for our next fund.